guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will going to continue my discussion about law of exponent. So we have we have 6 law of exponent. So I will just continue my discussion of law exponent and law number 2. So ouch, sakit. Law number 2, for every real number a and all positive integers m and n, we have a raised to m times a raised to n is equal to a m plus n. So it was easy for us. So example, we have number 1, we have 2 raised to 4 times 2 raised to 7. So we're just going to add the exponent. So we have 2 raised to 4 plus 7. So we're just going to add the exponent. So we have 2 raised to 11. So we're going to multiply 2 itself in 11. So as we multiply, we have 2048. So next we need to simplify. So number 2, simplifying. So a raised to 3 times a raised to 4. So we have a raised to 3 times a raised to 4 is equal to a raised to 3 plus 4. So we're just going to add the exponent. So we have a raised to 7. So next, in multiplying powers that have same base, write the common base and then add the exponent. So if they have common base, we're just going to write the base and then add the exponent. So we have example here. Simplify 2x raised to 3 times 3x raised to 3. So our a is our base. So we have 2x raised to 3 times 3x raised to 3 is equal to 2x times 3x. So we're just going to separate our base because our base is 2x times 3x. So our exponent is 3. So we're just going to add the both exponents. So we have 3 plus 3 is 6. So that's why multiply the bases and add the exponent. So we're just going to multiply the base. 2 times 3x, we have 6x. And then we're just going to add the exponent. So next, we have the law number 3. And law number 3, for every real number a and any integers m and n is quantity of em to the power of quantity of a raised to m to the power of n is equal to a raised to m times n. So we're just going to multiply them. So let us consider rising power to a power. Example, quantity of y raised to 2 times 4. So is equal to y raised to 2 times 4. So we are just going to multiply the exponent. If in the law number 2, we are going to add, in law number 3, we're just going to multiply the exponent. So we have y raised to 8. So another example, we have 5 raised to 2 times 3 is equal to 5 raised to 2 times 4. Sorry. This is 3. Now, this is 3. So, here, this is wrong because we have 3 here. I was wrong for including this one. So, we just multiply the exponent. 2 times 3, we have 6. So 5 raised to 6. We are going to multiply 5 itself by 6. So 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is equal to 15,000. 15,625. The example illustrates that the third law of exponents, which is power to power law, involves multiplying the exponent. So that was our law number 3. So we have next the law number 4. In law number 4, for all real numbers a and b and any positive integers m. So we have EB, quantity of EB to the power of m is equal to, we have a raised to m times b raised to m. We're just going to multiply. So, or we're just going to distribute the exponent. So, we have example number 1. Quantity of xy to the power of 5. So, as you can see, we're just going to distribute the exponent in our x and y. In example number 2, we have 3 times 4 to the power of 2. So, we're just going to simplify 2 and a both number. So, 3 raised to 2 times 4 raised to 2. So, we have 3 times 3 times, so we're just going to multiply the 3 times 3 and then we multiply the 4 times 4. So, if we get the number 3 times 3 and then 4 times 4, if we're going to multiply, we are going to add. So, if we add, we have 144. The example above show the fourth exponential law, which is a distributive law of exponent over the multiplication. So, it is a distributive law of exponent. So, we have law number 5. Sorry for that noise. So, law number 5. For all positive integers m and n, and any non-zero number for a raised to m over a raised to n is equal to a m plus n. So we are just it looks like an in law number 2. So magkapareho sila sa law number 2. To further explain the law, let us take the following example. So we have 5 raised to 4 over 5 raised to 2 is equal to 5 raised to 4 minus 2. So here, if the law number 2 is we're going to add, here we are going to minus. We're going to use minus for our exponent. So 4 minus 2 is we have 2. So we have 5 raised to 2. So 5 times 5 we have 25. So number 2, x raised to 8 over x raised to 5. So we have x raised to 8 minus 5. So we have 3. Or we have x raised to 3. Okay. Notice example number 2. We divide that to the same number x. Then we subtract the exponent and leave the base as it is. This illustrates the fifth law of exponent. So, next we have in a law number 6. For all real number x and y except 0, any of the integers n, so we have quantity of x over y raised to n is equal to x raised to n over y raised to n. Let us try the distributive exponent of an exponent applicable to division. So we have 3 example here. 2 over 3 raised to 4 is equal to, we are just going to distribute the exponent both number in our denominator and numerator. So 2 raised to 4 all over by 3 raised to 4 is equal to 4 raised to 4 we have 2 raised to 4 we have 16 and 3 raised to 4 we have 81. So in example number 2, we have quantity of x over y. So we're in x over y raised to 5 is equal to, we are just going to distribute because if we multiply, even though we multiply the x raised to 5, it is the same. So we're just copy and put or we're just going to distribute that exponent. So here we have quantity of m over 7 raised to 3. We have m raised to 3, distributive property. So, and 7 raised to 3. So, we're just going to multiply the 7. And m is still the same. So, m raised to 3. So, 7 raised to 3, we have 343. So, that's all for today. That was the law of exponent. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.